Hey y'all, my name is Gwen. I am one of the tech specialists at Price LeBlanc Lexus in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So just a couple of days ago, we received the new LS 500. And I'm really excited about it for a few reasons, but I'm going to give you the main highlight. So Grant, if you would, you'll notice there's a button here. It looks like a C. When you press it, suddenly these options appear in the huge display we have going on here. I'm going to select the driver's seat refresh. Right here, I can select where I want the refresh. And you'll notice those lights kind of lit up in the display. That is because this chair is actually giving me a little light massage. Just like the massage chairs that you test out when you're at the mall, you never buy them. Or at least if you're like me, that's what you do. So, really great feature. I love it so much, you will too. There's a lot more going on in this car, but we'll talk about that another time. Thanks, y'all.